back to my channel. I am so excited for the video today. I have a luxury haul for you because I just came back from Paris and London. And you guys know I was looking for a new bag, and did I find my new baby? I can't wait to share with you guys. But first things first, the video today is sponsored by Audible, and I am so excited to partner with Audible because you guys know my channel is about fashion, but I am all about education, learning, self-development, self-improvement. So Audible is right up my alley, guys. If you haven't heard of Audible before, they are the leading provider of spoken word entertainment and audiobooks, and I am all about audiobooks because I simply do not have the time to curl up on the couch with a book by the fireplace because my life is crazy, okay? Multitasking is the name of the game for me, so audiobooks are perfect because I feel like I can improve myself while I'm driving, while I'm working out, while I'm cooking. So here's how it works. You pay a monthly membership that will give you one title and 2 Audible originals per month. And guys, they have some amazing titles that you will only find at Audible. Now, let me tell you a little bit about how I use Audible. 3 different ways. The first one are the morning meditations. I think it's really important for you to kind of like set the energy for your day. We're so stressed all the time, so much going on. I think it's important for you to start your day with focus and kind of like with good energy. I feel like you kind of set the tone for how the day is gonna go down. So it's really nice for me to get ready in the morning while I'm putting my makeup or driving somewhere to listen to the morning meditations to kind of get me in the right frame of mind, if you will. Now, the other thing that I love about Audible are the suspense thriller kind of titles. And guys, you probably don't know that about me. My Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, you do, because I talk about this to my followers, but not much on YouTube. But I love murder mystery stories. I like to listen to them while I'm doing my cardio, because when I'm doing cardio, if I don't listen to something that is distracting me from working out, I am absolutely miserable, like counting down the minutes. Do you know what I mean? Like, I got 10 minutes to go, 9 minutes and 50 seconds to go. It's torture. So I have to be listening to something that is gonna get my mind off of working out. So the title that I'm listening to right now is called Evil Has a Name, which is the story of a real murder. It's called the Golden State Murders, and it was all over the news media. It was a real thing. So listening to it kind of distracts me from working out and allows me to get my 20 minutes in without kind of like dying, right? And then the other thing is the self-development topics. I don't know, but I don't show a lot of my work side to you guys. I know I have a crazy personality here on YouTube, but the reality of it is that I have a very high responsibility, high visibility corporate job. And on my job, I have to be very influential, very articulate. I have to know how to present. And in order to be good at all of those things, I need to constantly read and understand how to interact with people, how to be a leader. So I think, you know, a couple of the titles that I listened to on Audible were 7 Habits of Highly Effective People and then Emotional Intelligence. These are just 2 examples, guys, of things that are gonna give you skills and give you capability to deal with other people, to function at work and be effective, to learn how to influence people, how to avoid conflict. These are critical skills for you to be successful in anything in life. And then the other cool thing about Audible is that you can listen to it on your phone. You can download the titles so you don't need internet. You can listen to them offline. You can also connect them to Sonos, which is something I do all the time. And guys, I talked a lot about audiobooks, but they're so much more than just audiobooks. They have podcasts, they have news, Wall Street Journal, they have celebrity memoirs, their originals are incredible. And if you click on my link in the info section below, you will get a 30-day free trial, so free of charge, that you can go roam around, take a look at the titles, see what you like, and you get right off the bat 1 title and the 2 Audible originals. So totally worth it, even if it's just for you to check it out. Or you can also text Ericasgirlyworld to the number 500 to go ahead and get your trial started. But guys, we're in the beginning of the year. We have so much crazy stuff going on. You're spending a lot of time at home right now, right, with everything that's going on. So go check it out. Look at all of the titles and all of the fun things that they have to offer, and you're not gonna regret it, guys. All right, so let's get started with this haul because I can't wait to show you the goodies that I got. I wasn't planning on buying anything in London because I was gonna go to Paris right after London, and Paris is cheaper than London right now. But I did see an item that I could not find anywhere here in the US, and I was scared I wasn't gonna find this in Paris. So I was in Harrods shopping with Maria Dragonova. I had so much fun shopping with Maria. I don't know, such a good heart. Like, she's such a good soul is all I can say. Like, I love Maria to death, and I saw these shoes, guys, and I died. Okay, so let me do the unboxing. This is a fake box. This is not the box that I got with this item. The box says Jimmy Choo, and the item is actually from Vuitton Rossi. So here's the story. I did not bring boxes for anything on this trip. I typically bring all of my boxes with me when I go to Paris, but this time, guys, this trip was so rushed. I was so sick on this trip, and I did not have room in my luggage either to bring them with me. So I was like, just screw it. You know, I'm not gonna bring any boxes. So the boxes you're seeing on this haul, it is all my own boxes that I already had, because I just think it's a lot more fun to do an unboxing with a box. I mean, right? So this is what I bought from Vuitton Rossi. Impossible to get. There they are. They are these gorgeous iridescent mules, and I had been wanting so bad these mules with the super pointy toe that Vuitton Rossi makes. He has an entire line, different colors. You know, this is the PVC version, iridescent, which is the exact one that I wanted. And the lady said, look, these are the last one on your size in Europe. Okay, so I had to get them, but I think these super pointy toes look super fashion forward, guys. These were like 575 pounds, so I think it's like around $700, $750 around there. This right here is so Miami, fashion forward, fun, and extra. I mean, this is Erica's Girly World in a pair of shoes. Okay, next is from Louis Vuitton, and this year my mission is to focus on bags and real jewelry, okay? Last year, I bought a ton of clothes. I really focused on clothes and shoes, and I sold a ton of my bags, so I have major gaps in my bag closet. So I said I wasn't gonna focus on clothes, but doesn't mean I'm not buying any clothes, because this right here is ready to wear. It means I'm buying less, okay? It means I'm not focusing as much on it. So I got this in Paris at the Place Vendôme boutique for Louis Vuitton, and I love going there because I have my sales associate there. I love him so much, and then I met someone new and so nice that works there as well this last trip. So if you guys are watching, I love you so much. They are the absolute best. If you guys are looking for recommendations and fabulous client advisors to talk to in Paris, shoot me a DM on Instagram. But so when I go to Paris, guys, I like to buy at least one piece of ready to wear because it is so much cheaper than in the US. What can I say? I mean, the difference is huge. So I like to take advantage every time I go there. So let's take a look. It comes with a beautiful Louis Vuitton garment bag, which don't we love the extras? I mean, that's why we buy luxury, because we want the extras, right? I want the garment bag, I want the hanger. I mean, give it all to me, boo. So there you go. So what this is actually a cape dress, okay? So let me show you. I will show a picture for you to see, but if you look up close, it has this thing right here with an elastic for you to cinch on the waist and make the waist like super tight, and then you have like this super flowy sleeves, and then it is ultra short. Now here's how I think you can wear this. You can wear this on a beautiful weekend afternoon, put some killer celebrity sunglasses and some low heel sandals and look casual and fabulous, like you are like in St. Bart's for your summer vacation. Or on the other hand, you can jazz this up at night and put killer sock boots with these. I'm thinking my Balenciaga knife boots, and make this look ultra high fashion. If it is cold, you can throw a killer black turtleneck. So this has a V-neck, as you can tell. So throw a black turtleneck, you can put black stockings and killer simple sock boots, and you look like $1 million. So I think this is a very versatile dress. This was completely sold out in the US. So when I saw in Paris, I had to get it. My BFF Val also got one for herself. We're gonna be twinning on this one. This was like 940 euros. So I think that this is classic Louis Vuitton logo that is gonna last you for the rest of your life. This is the piece de resistance on this haul, on this box that is not the real box that came with. This is my own box, but I mean, I needed to do like appropriate reveal, okay, for this baby. So here it is. Here it is, guys. It is my brand new child. You guys know I call all my bags my children, and all of my bags have names. And you know, I like to name my bags, man. What can I say? I have been wanting this can bag from Louis Vuitton for a while because it's really, really big. It fits a lot of stuff. And I needed a black bag that would go with everything, that can be like super practical during the day, that I can use crossbody, or super chic because I can remove the straps on this. So check this out. And I can carry this with a more classic look and look like very blogger, very chic, right? So right now I'm going for bags exactly like these, guys, that I can wear on my shoulder, crossbody, or as a clutch, or as a super like ladylike type bag. I am going for versatile bags. I don't want bags that are just one look. I'm trying to really get the most out of my spending and buy bags that will easily go from day to night, right? So this bag is it, guys. So okay, let's do the honors. First of all, this Louis Vuitton keychain does not come with. I bought this actually separately because I wanted to have like a little touch of fun on the bag. So let me open it up and show you how spacious this bag is on the inside. Oh, I mean, you can fit your life in here so easy. I mean, phone easy, glasses, keys, big wallet. I mean, guys, you can throw everything in here and you still have space left. I probably love the reverse monogram version better than the vernis, but guys, I don't need a monogram bag right now. I wanted a all black bag, okay? And that's what I got. And I think that the vernis is very chic. I feel like vernis is kind of like a notch above. First of all, because it's leather versus monogram canvas, right? And I think just the shine of it makes it look like so chic and so sophisticated. So let me show you the details of the bag. I took the keychain off, but check this out. So you close this, okay, right here. And right here, it has a lock that you can put through this cute little like leather hole right here. It comes with a little key. Put this through here, check that out. And then you can lock your bag. The other thing I like about it, guys, is that it is flat on the back, because you know this is gonna kind of like hang against your body, you know, when you use a crossbody. And I like that it's not completely round, because I think it would be kind of like a pain and make it super bulky. So right here on the side where the strap hangs, it has this beautiful gold hardware, and then here you have the detail of the lock with the key, beautiful gold hardware. And then in the front right here, you have the beautiful Louis Vuitton hardware in gold, also with this leather tag right here with Louis Vuitton embossed. And then the top is also vernis, look at that. And I am just completely in love with this bag. Now I need to find a name for it. So if you have any suggestions for this black beauty, now guys, the names of my bags are like people names, you know, so I don't call my bags like Black Diamond, for example, you know, not stuff like that. Real names like Nancy, Grace, Ursula, you know, Erica, you know. So if you have a name that you think would be super cool for this bag, let me know. So this is it for my haul, guys. I hope you like all the goodies that I got, and please help me pick a name for a new bag. Leave a comment with what name you think I should call this cutie right here. And don't forget to click in the link in the description box below and check out Audible. If you're spending a ton of time at home right now with everything that's going on, or even if you're not, if you're super busy, guys, no excuses to learn something new, be entertained, improve yourself. So many options, and you get an entire month free to kind of browse and make sure you love the titles and you love the system. So click on the link, or you can text Erica's Girly World to 500 500. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.